Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working on Mini Cooper. Yeah, Mini Cooper. So basically I'll be doing the oil cooler replacement for this car, because if you look closely into it, you can see oil leaks around it. Serious oil leaks around the oil cooler. That's the oil cooler. So oil leaks around it. And this is my new oil cooler. I'll put it in. I feel it's looking from the seal. You can see all the seals, the new seals. I feel the other one, this is well worn out. That's why it's looking oily. So to do this job, first of all, you need to drain the oil. After draining the oil from this car, then you need to just come in front of the car. Then you have to move this panel. So next up, to do this job, first of all, you have to move this panel, which I will move from here, and from here. Next, you have to move the fan, the AC fan, also to have access to get more rooms. Also, I think you have to move the AC, because the AC is touching the oil cooler. The AC is touching the oil cooler. You can see the two AC pipe. You just have to move it to move it out of the way, so you can just have easy access to it. But first of all, you need to check if the car have AC. So right now, I'm currently draining the AC. This is where I'm draining from into the AC machine, and after that, then I'll move the two AC pipes to have access to it. Also, the job is pretty much easy. I have to move this air pipe to have access to this space when moving the radiator fan. Yeah, I think this is more easier to work on this car. Also, you need to move this water pipe, because it's just right across the oil cooler. I have to move this pipe because it's just right across the oil cooler. And yeah, this is it for now. I will show you step by step how to go about it. Yeah, it's pretty much easy job. After that, I think I'll be doing a rocker gasket seal as well, because it's leaking from the rocker gasket around the body and behind as well. So I'll do that. But that was enough for now. That is later on. But first, I have to focus on the oil cooler first, get it done, then head to the rocker gasket. So I'm completely done draining the AC. So yeah, so I just have check it a little bit to see if they see that. So the AC is gone, completely finished. Same with this one, no pressure. So there's no AC in the system. So now I can go ahead to lose the pipes, then move the AC to go access. Yeah, you can see the two AC lines are out from here and there, and the hose is out. So now it's completely easy to lose the cooler. It's just this E10 tall bolt. This one, there's one beneath there. If you move the AC wire, alternator wire, you can see another one there. Yeah, one there. You can see another one just here, and it should be 5, and some beneath. Yeah, that's how you lose your oil cooler for Mini Cooper. Yep, let's lose it now, and that's it. Hi, so you can see the oil cooler is out, completely out, and this is it here. So this is the oil cooler. You can see the seal are completely flat, like I said. So it's already compressed in, that's why. So basically, so there are 2 ways to go about it. Now, it's either you do a cheap job or you do a quality job, or you can do if you don't want to spend much, you just have to change the seals. That's it, and put the oil cooler back, this particular oil cooler back, or you just buy a new one, then replace everything. But one thing I'm not sure of, I don't know if they said this separately. Definitely they have to set it separately. But the problem is, how do you want to know what kind of this specification of seal that's in here without moving it? For instance, before purchasing it, if you know the kind of seal that's in here, so you just go straight to buying the seal instead of buying the whole thing like this. Instead of buying the whole thing like this, you can see this one. The seals are still good. They're all bulging out. And look at this one. It's completely flat. So are two things. Either you buy the whole thing component, or you just buy only the seal. Yeah. So, but my advice is, before doing this job, drain oil. So now I have to like clean everything, clean the whole thing, clean the oil, then put the new one in. So it's completely cleaned up. So now it's all completely clean. Now it's to put the oil filter in. So I'll just put my oil filter, then it's coming in. Go from the beneath, have to like clean the sump as well and everything. So you can see the new ones is completely installed, all completely tight. The 5 bolts, hit them, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th. So they're all installed. So everything is just to put everything back, clean it up, put the AC pipes, put the alternator bolts, because I just slack it a little bit to have space. So everything is just to coupling back to the real state. So the cooler is completely installed. The AC pipe is in, all is all in. So everything is being coupled up. So next stop is going to be the rocker cover, all in, fan in. Yeah.